Buongiorno paisani! So in 4 days we're going to have our big gala benefiting the Cedars Cancer Foundation as well as the Lighthouse for Children in Palliative Care. I'm very happy to be part of this and to participate in the putting together of this event. And thank you everyone who has bought their tickets, who will be there to support us and support our causes. It's going to be a wonderful evening. And I don't know if you guys checked out my posts, but unfortunately I cannot do a live feed until I hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So I know we're at 456, so we're almost at the mid mark, but not quite enough to do the live feed. So hopefully you guys are gonna work your magic and subscribe, and we'll get as close as possible to the 1,000. Maybe in the coming months when we do our other galas or other activities, I'll be able to do a live. On that note, kia parola Catalan kisa hoy. Today's Sicilian word that I want to teach you is tindu or tinda or tindi. There's three. It's the way you conjugate it. So tindu means when a male is bad. Tinda is when it's a female that's bad. And tindi means when it's a group of people that are bad. So let's put it in a sentence is mi che tinda chissà, mi che tindu chisu, mamma mia quanta gente tindi che ci sono. So there you go. You say, wow, he's so bad, or she's so bad, or what a group of bad people. In Italian we say cattivi or cattivo or cattiva. So it's basically the way you conjugate it. There's an A, an O, or an I at the end of it. So that's it for today. Cattivi, tindi means bad, because there's a lot of bad in this world, so we have to be the good in it. So keep paying it forward, be good to each other, respect everyone, and have yourselves a beautiful day. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu.